Dear students, unit number 1 of your computer education book is Information and Communication Technology. It is also called ICT as a short form. So, definition of ICT is a diverse set of technological tools and resources that are used to create, store, manage, and communicate information. मीन्स कि आप डिफरेंट गैजेट्स और डिवाइसेस इस्तेमाल करके अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को मैनेज कर सकते हैं, उसको क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, स्टोर कर सकते हैं और आप उसको अगर किसी दूसरे के साथ शेयर करना चाहें तो वो भी कर सकते हैं. For this purpose we use different ICT devices and we use these devices in every aspect of our life. आप अपने हर तरफ इन ICT devices को इस्तेमाल होते हुए देखते हैं. For example, in industries, in business, in transport, in health, education, government affairs, everywhere, at schools, at homes, hospitals, workplaces. For this purpose, we use some ICT devices, and these devices are mobile, digital cameras, multimedia projectors, laptops, computers, barcode scanners, tablets, smartphones, printers, scanners. These are the devices or gadgets which are called ICT devices, and we use these devices to manage, to store our data, our information, or to communicate and share our information. As I told you that we can create, store, manage and communicate data and information through ICT or information and communication technology. And for this purpose we use different devices. So computer is an electronic device that processes data, it can store data, it can manage data or information with great accuracy and speed according to the given instructions. This is the great invention of human beings. ये एक ऐसी इजाद है जिससे आप अपने डाटा को, अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को बड़े तेज़ रफ्तारी से और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मैनेज कर सकते हैं. Now you must be wondering that what is the difference between data and information. The difference between data and information is this, that data is raw or unorganized facts. It consists of those facts and figures which are in raw form and they need to be processed. हमें ज़रूरत होती है कि हम इसको प्रोसेस करें और इसको ऑर्गेनाइज फॉर्म में ले आएं. And information is the form of data that has been processed and organized and is used for decision making. Means when you put data into computer or into any electronic device or ICT device, it processes that data and changes it into meaningful, organized information. We can understand the difference between data and information through this example, that data comes in many forms like text, numbers or symbols. For example, we have marks of class 5 which the students got in scholarship examination. Now, if we want to convert this data into information, we need to process it. Suppose on the basis of grade 5 results, top 20 students will be awarded scholarship. And if we want to award them scholarship, we need to analyze the data. we need to analyze their marks. For this purpose, data will be analyzed or processed for calculation of percentile. It means that we need to calculate 80th percentile, and which will give the score of 181.5. Means any student who has got above 181.5 marks, he will be awarded scholarship. So through this example, we can understand better what is the difference between data and information. That data is a data is a form of numbers, facts, or figures in raw form, and information is facts and figures in organized and decision making form. After studying about information and communication technology and difference between data and information, you will do question define ICT and name some ICT devices. Differentiate between data and information through example in your copies. You will also do exercise number 6, which is label the pictures. These pictures are of parts of computer that you have already studied in your previous classes. You will do this exercise in your book. There is another exercise, exercise number 8, which is of match the columns, in which some pictures of ICT devices have been given and their names. You have to match the pictures with their names. You will do this exercise in your books. After doing all this work, you will take pictures of the written work and send them to me so that I can check it. Thank you.